by step, together we'll build our dreams. Heart to heart, together we'll stay as one nation, undivided. Back to back, together we'll grow. In harmony, nothing in this world compares to this island where it's home, where we love and know we'll never be alone. Because it's Singapore. Step by step, together we'll build our dreams. Heart to heart, together we'll stay as one nation, undivided. Back to back, together we'll brave the heat, the cold, the storms. Hand in hand, together we'll grow this land that we call home. Nothing in this world compares. It's our Singapore real life. Everyone is family, friend and neighbor, living in harmony. Nothing in this world compares to this island where it's home, where we love and know we'll never be alone. Because it's Singapore. Just believe we can be. The world will see. We are Singapore.
How many times have you heard them say the future is uncertain and everything must change? Well, all of my worries and all of my fears begin to lose their weight when I hold you near. If all that we are is what we believe, then I know I gotta be the change I wanna see. How easy we forget that everything takes time. No, nothing's ever perfect, I still call you mine. This is my country, this is my flag, this is my future, this is my life, this is my family.
My name is Mo and I am your assistant cruise director on board, and I'm also going to be hosting this shipbuilding contest that we put together for you. Now, here on board the MS Amsterdam, we have the very wonderful, very talented Captain Jonathan Mercer, who navigates us everywhere, every day, every place we go is always out there with us. However, today we have some bonus captains that have taken it upon themselves to put together their own crew and build their own ships. And we're going to go ahead and bring those ships up here one at a time, and then we're going to judge them by our wonderful, very talented panel of judges. we have our entertainment coordinator, Bien Elisa. Wave, Bien Elisa. She's got her sunglasses on. She's incognito today, all right? We have our very talented other assistant cruise director, aka your librarian, Cass. Wave to Cass. And we have Amanda's friend on board, Mariah, who got roped into working while on vacation today. She's going to be one of our judges. And then in the pool helping us conduct some of those sea trials is Amanda. All right, and where's your crew? Wait, so we have a one-woman crew. All right. Impressive. All right. Please tell us a little bit about the Haka Waka. What inspired you to put this together, and how did you do it?
Inspirations. The first one was the Maoris, which were so impressed by the culture, the long travels from Asia, islands, New Zealand. The second was the clients officer, who talked to us one afternoon.
We are
All right, so Amanda's going to test it out. Look at that, it floats. Very impressive. Derby's float, who knew? So if we're ever lost at sea, hopefully you guys get your hats from the gift store. Only when they're covered in trash bags, all right. Let's see how it does with maybe some high winds and some storms. Shake it up there a little bit, Amanda. There we go. Okay, pretty sturdy, pretty sturdy. All right, well, let's see. Down in front, you mean me? All right, here we go. Up.
Cargo area is along the center.
All right, keep that in the front, in the front. So along the center and then the front. So you can see where those beams are, that's where we want to bear the load. No? The front of the mast. Okay, so in front of the mast. 1 can of Coca-Cola. Ooh, all right. Impressive. Here we go, Amanda. Judges are taking note right now. If you can see. Good luck. All right, the wind's catching that sail. That's a good thing, unless you're stuck in the doldrums. All right. Hey, an entire six-pack. Great job. All right, the judges are going to go ahead and take So, hey, look at that. You're tempting fate by throwing icebergs at it. Oh man, the wind's really taking that baby. All right, well, let's see how it does. Push it around. Looks like it'll test pretty well.
The flag on the back.
Right.
We tested it in the hot tub. Lots of colors.
The MS Recycled Amsterdam, they're written on the back with a recycled menu from the Pinnacle, it looks like. All right, go ahead and start stacking them up. 1, 2, I don't think that baby's going down.
No.
It's floating away from you, though. The thing is definitely not going to have any problems moving. All right, 6 cans of Coke. Well done. Looks like it holds up pretty well. This thing. Oh, with the pageantry. I love it. I love it. Just set it down right there, Captain. Thank you very much. All right, lovely. He brought his own cheering section and music. That's impressive. They look like they're a well-traveled adventuring party. Okay, so looks like we have a... All right, it's heavier than it looks, strangely enough. It's got some weight to it, okay. All right, there you go. It's a floater. It actually floats. All right, put it in some rough seas and see how it does. All right, there we go. That thing ain't going down. There you go. All right. Well done. Very creative. All right. And now for the tests. Stacking some cans on it. Let's see how it does. We'll put it on there evenly. There's 2. Oh, it's rocking. 4. An entire 6-pack. There it is. Well done. Impressive. Yeah, I don't imagine that thing's gonna sink. That is sturdy, sturdy, sturdy. And it has got a 6-pack in it already. So yeah, give it a little push there. Give it some rough seas. I don't imagine it'll be too bad since it's traveling away from the Amsterdam. So. There it is. Let's hear it for the Spice Girls. Well done. All right. No surprise there. I think it's aptly named. It could be a survival ship for any one of the other ones that we've had out here today. Let's see what it holds there. 1, 2. Hey, it's sturdy. It's not going down. Maybe. We'll see. 3. Doesn't fit anymore. That's okay. 4, 5. It's be much. It's holding its capacity. 5. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. She's gonna balance it. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Oh. Hey! Oh, close enough. And it sinks to the bottom. Well done. Let's hear it for the captain of the Survival. Thank you, sir. We'll get that back. There it is. It's a floater. Give it some seas. Okay. All right. Well, looks like that Scotch tape's keeping it dry. Where should we put the weight on it, Captain?
On the shore.
On the on the shore. Warning: no lifeboat. Oh, well, that's a problem. Or oh, wait a minute. Try again. Looks like 4 is going to be where it maxes out. Yeah. 3. There it goes. One more time. No, that ain't going to happen. All right. Well, you gave it the old college try. Let's hear it for the sinking dam. Great job, Captain. All right, looks like with a total score of 20. Let's see. Captain Riegler of the Haka Waka looks like they have a score of 30. 30 points. Well done. Captain Wins of the HMS Recycled Amsterdam, 25. All right. Captain Jen Petty and the Spice Girls looks like they have a 29.5 score. Well done. The Survival, 23 points. Well done. You lost points on the carrying capacity, but well done. Let's see. And the Sinking Dam, 21 points. All right, which makes our winners today the Haka Waka. Big round of applause for Captain Riegler and the Haka Waka crew. Well done. We'll be getting you a certificate and a bottle of sparkling wine here in just a few minutes. And thank you everybody so much for coming out and participating in our shipbuilding contest today. I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. And we will see you.